So next is how to build a website. There are three ways to build a website. One is learn coding by yourself, which is not possible with most of you. Second is hire an agency that requires money. Third option is CMS. Okay, what is CMS? CMS is content management system, primarily where you can manage your website without coding. You can put drag and drop elements from these builders and make your own website. You have to create it like the way you create Word documents. You want to write text, you write text, you increase font size and all. You do that. You want to place an image, place an image. If you want to place a video, and go ahead like that. And additionally, you can place forms, social media sharing buttons, and other lot of stuff with CMSs without coding. The most popular CMS is WordPress. Okay, what is the advantages of WordPress? WordPress is free. Okay, WordPress is a free and open source content management system. Okay, so you don't have to pay any royalty of using this software. Okay, it's 100% free for lifetime. They will never ever going to charge. Okay, so we use WordPress for one reason is free. We don't have to pay royalty anything. Second reason of WordPress is it is has huge number of functionalities and people can upload these functionalities into the system and everyone can use it. Okay, so that is the biggest advantage of WordPress, that it is free and it is open source and it's unlimited number of functionalities. So Aditya has asked me to one question: what is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? WordPress.org gives everything for free. It's a platform to download theme, plugins, and get the support related to it. Whereas WordPress.com is a commercial product of them where you can buy hosting, okay, and everything. If you want free hosting with their domain name like justinbinzel.wordpress.com, then you can take that. Otherwise, all the things they have commercially. Okay, so that is the difference between the two. Here, nothing is paid, everything is free, and for hosting, it will suggest you all the uh, different companies. Any question related to CMS? Aditya has a question. If you have any question, please post it. If you don't have a question, then either type no or two. Aditya has a question. Do we need to use .org to make a free website? No, not at all. You can make anything free. You don't require .org extension at all. Okay. Third thing is how I should go about it when we are going to create. That is how even I learned how to manage WordPress, how to install WordPress. You can also learn with YouTube. I have couple of videos on YouTube how to install, how to buy WordPress hosting and all. You can refer to that, or you can refer to any blogger. Everyone has given it correctly. It's not me who did it perfectly. There are a lot of hundreds and hundreds of YouTube channel people who have explained the process. Okay. Now the question arises one thing. You have domain name, you have hosting, you have CMS. How to connect all these? Okay. The best method to connect all these three is you should buy a WordPress hosting. Okay. You should buy a WordPress hosting. You can buy a WordPress hosting from anyone. Okay. But I generally prefer it to buy from GoDaddy. It has a unique, easy interface of managing it. Okay, so if I click on it, it starts from 149 rupees per month. It's not super expensive. They give you domain name free for 1 year as well. Okay, enter your domain name, like I want to buy satyanbindal.com. Enter it. If it is available, it will tell you select and go ahead. And then automatically it's you are buying, you will get a free email subscription as well. If you buy it for 12 months, you have to pay that much amount. How? Okay, for domain they are charging the amount. You can buy a domain name from others, or you can apply a coupon as well. Okay, so if I remove a domain name, let's say, it comes out to be 1800, 150 rupees per month, plus taxes. So you have to pay around uh, 21,000 rupees. I have a trick for it as well, to get it at cheaper price. Sometimes this trick works, sometimes doesn't. So really not sure whether it will work this time or not. Is primarily changing your IP address to US. Okay, so if I go on this website, select US, open google.com again, or you can open GoDaddy also, but I prefer to open google.com. Okay, and then Google is opened in US. So cheap WordPress hosting. You can write let's write GoDaddy as well. Okay, you can go on it. And oh, generally it comes out now it's saying $7. Earlier it used to come at $1 per month. So actually you can achieve that uh, the same thing at a price of 720, 730 rupees. Okay, I don't know why it is not coming. Let me, yeah, this is the link. Add a link primarily, which I missed uh, from GoDaddy at $1 per month. Okay, so you can get it at $1 per month with free domain name. Okay, so you can add a basic plan with 30 GB storage and everything. You can go ahead and buy that plan. Okay, so you can get it at just $1 per month now. So it will reduce your 2,000 rupees to just maybe $12 would be around 1,000 rupees, and support and everything remains the same. Okay, this is a trick which I have been using like to death, but it still works and it's a great way. But for that, you need a credit card to make a payment. You can't make a payment through your debit card. Okay. Next thing is, once you install it, so you can search for any blog, any YouTube tutorials, how to set up blog on in WordPress, and there are lot of people will give you tutorials. Okay, it's not one person, it's hundred people are doing that. Okay, follow one person only. Don't follow like 10,000 people. Okay, go in their playlist and see. Okay, see which tutorial you want to follow. Okay, and follow that playlist. Don't follow a lot of playlists and lot of people. One at a time. If you didn't achieve it, then move to the second one. Or you can search WordPress. Better keyword would be tutorials. Okay. Yeah, this is a guy even who does really good stuff. Okay, so he must be having a playlist. Yeah. So he has a playlist related to plugins. He has a playlist how to start a blog. Couple of playlists he has, and if you follow it, you would be able to do it. It's not going to be a very huge task to execute it. Okay, is that whole process clear to everyone? Press 1 quickly. It is clear to everyone. Chaitanya, Claire, Rajiv, Tanya, Sushmita, Ranjana, Gopinath, Shivam, Aditya, Uday, Viswajit, Nishit, Sahu, Prithvi, Aditya. Oh, perfect. Guys, so let's take a quick break of 15 minutes, and you can search about it a little more and take a break. And after 15 minutes, we can connect.